The Great Indian Festival is on at Amazon. Wonderful deals. I've picked out some amazing stuff that would have been very expensive otherwise. So I'm going to take you through all of them. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you back to Joy Geeks. This is where I create beauty content, wellness content. I have been loving all the fashion content I've been creating and I want to do tons of more stuff, so you must let me know what more you want. Right now, the Great Indian Sale is on at Amazon, as if you didn't know, but I've picked up some things which I found were at a great deal. Things that I would have wanted to pick up earlier, but now with this deal, it was irresistible, alright? So I'm going to take you through it. Most of them are kurtis, like I said. And all the links and the description, details of the outfits I'm showing will be in the description box. So do not forget to check them out. And before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, it's going to take you a second and cost you nothing. So go hit the subscribe button and like the video if you did like it. Alright, let me start. The first video I'm going to show you is what I'm wearing right now. It's a navy blue with this gold print all over, and I love the bottom of it as well because it has checks. It's a very different combination. Normally you'd have a plain, I would normally wear a plain kurta or a plain bottom and the other one would be printed, but this is both printed, but one checks and one this. And I'm going to show you like this. I'm also going to insert images of me having worn it, so that will help you to see. I love the fit. I love that, it's reaching till my elbows. It has a different feel to it. If I can just show it to you like this. I think it's looking pretty nice. And it is not cotton, so I think when I travel and stuff, I think this will be very good because the ironing issue that cottons have will not be experienced in this. It's a very simple kurti, but I like that about it. In fact, if you look at all the kurtis that I've got, they're not going to be overtly jazzy because that's how my taste is. If I can wear this to a puja and I'll be more than happy because it has so much gold all over, and somehow I really liked it and found it comfortable. Okay, the next one I have is from Biba. I love Biba as a brand, and especially when I get it at a wonderful discount. This is such a smart, trendy kurta, I think. This kurta I got for just 1600, whereas the actual price is 3600. So I think I got a great deal at the sale. And I love the detailing it has. It is pink, white and black. I thought it was red, but I love pink as well. This has a side detail here, which is, I thought, very different, and has this tassel here. It is pretty long and nice. I love the long slit this has. So very nice. I like this, and it has a plain bottom, all cotton, very comfortable stuff. This is a palazzo in the bottom, and the dupatta is also very stylish. I thought it's this black and white and this geometric print. I do like geometric prints, and this is very much my style. So you will see in the inserts that I show. I thought this was very nice, something that I would carry off pretty well with that outfit. So very comfortable, and I think very trendy even for a puja wear, or when you want to visit somebody's home. Pretty nice. I want to show you another kurta that I got that I absolutely freaked on. I love the brand W as well, and this may not seem festive to you, but a kurta in itself is pretty festive in my opinion. Very, very smart. It has this, old time like cassettes. I don't know if some of you may not even know, and with headsets, I really like this. I love the detailing it has of this lime green embroidery here and this orange on the sleeve. It also has this orange stripe going on the side, which I liked, and at the bottom. Let me just show this to you like this. Very different. I really liked how this is, and also the original price of this product was 1700. I got it only for some 527, which I thought was a steal. And I love the quality of W kurtas, so I am freaking out with this because I think this is super smart. I could wear this with so many things, with a white bottom, anything I want. I can make this kurta look so different with whatever styling I choose to do, and I think that this could be even worn for a formal meet, a semi-formal meet. This would look very nice. and for any of the simple occasions at home. Very comfortable cotton stuff. Before I move on to one more kurta, I want to show you something that I think is supremely important, which is comfortable footwear. I am a huge fan of this brand. I'm just going to show it to you in a second. A lot of people I know cringe when they hear about this name because they think it's not too stylish. But I think comfort over style, but they are also having tons of designs which have wonderful styling in my opinion, and that is Crocs. I got this slip on. Now, I don't know if you've been following me for a while, you would have noticed I had a similar one. See, this doesn't get seen, alright? This section doesn't get seen when you wear it. When you wear it, all you see is this, and this has this beautiful textured top. And all day when you need to go out, this is so comfortable. I really like this. I have this in another sequined stripe, which my daughter took over. So then I went and ordered this, and this original price I believe is about 4,000 bucks, but I got it for I think 3,200. I think 3,200 was a steal because I know how long this pair lasts for me. Even the other one that I have, it lasts a long time. I can wear it all day and my feet doesn't hurt. This has a little bit of heel as well. I know it looks plasticky, but I can wear it through all season. I can wear it with any outfit I want, whether it's jeans or a sari or a salwar kameez or shorts. So I think this is a great buy. I really think that eventually, you know, you want to be comfortable, and I think it's pretty stylish too. Once I put my feet in there, it looks very nice, and I have worn this. In fact, when I went to Singapore, my entire trip I was only wearing this piece of footwear, because even when we went to the water park, I could still wear this and nothing happened to this. So Crocs is definitely the way to go, and there are plenty of other designs. You can check that out. This one I bought initially at 4,000 because I knew it's that good. I have been wearing Crocs for a really long time, right through when I was pregnant and all those things. The next one is another kurta that I got from W. Such a bright, vibrant orange. Again, it's a plain kurta. I've had a white kurta like this and I know this fits wonderfully. This looks really smart. So I thought I got this and I can pair it with any bottom. You know, I like this minimalist button detail here. It has this, you know, the sleeve which is folded here, which I really love this look. And it's a very, very comfortable cotton, and it has no pockets. But I am this kind of a dresser. For me, kurtas are generally plain and I like to wear a printed bottom or a plain kurta with a or a printed top and a plain bottom. And then if you want, you can style it off with your dupatta or some accessories. I normally leave it like this, but I think this looks very festive in this kind of a color as well. So these were the things I got in the sale at Amazon, and I think you should definitely check those out, and all the links will be in the description. I have been freaking out with all the deals Amazon has been having. So I would love for you to also make the most of it, because why not? You know, when there is such a good deal, why not? And if you like the look that I have on my face right now, I made a whole video on it. Check that out if you haven't. I will be very happy to from you in the comments. What is it that you picked out? What out of these outfits you really liked? I hope you have a great Diwali. You have a safe Diwali. Apart from the firecrackers, I know we are, you know, just praying that the third wave of Corona doesn't come up. I just want to wish everyone great health, a lot of prosperity, great time with your friends and family, however we can do. We couldn't play Garba this year. I miss Garba, but what to do? I would rather have everyone safe rather than everyone coming out in the crowds. So I think let's still be a little careful, and I will be putting out a lot more lipstick content which is mask friendly, so that will help as well. Okay, take care, have a great time. I will see you soon.